Hello everyone, another quick update on my 6502 computer. You can see that it's gotten a lot messier now. I have all this wire right here with some chips buried underneath. So what I've added in is some RAM and some ROM. And with that RAM and ROM, I have address decoding logic set up right here with two 74LS138s, so that's a 3 to 8 decoder, and one 74LS08 quad AND gate. Now I also have a very simple program running that I uploaded onto the ROM just for testing to make sure that the memory map is working. Now you can see that my data bus and my address bus are cycling through some hexadecimal numbers, and I'm going to explain that real quick with my program. So if I go over to my program, I have an assembled binary file here that's based off of this 6502 assembly program. I have a start label that begins the whole program. I add 1 to the accumulator. I compare it with 2. If the accumulator is storing 2, I jump down to this CLS label. Otherwise, I jump back up to start. Now, if the accumulator holds 2, I jump down to the CLS label. I clear the accumulator, and I jump back up to start, and the program starts over from there. Now, let's go ahead and see if this is working correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and press my reset button. We should see the addresses go through and just make sure everything's loaded correctly. And it's going through the reset vector. It starts from E000. If you remember, that's where I said that in the last video, that's where I said the 8 kilobyte ROM chip should go. If I go back over here, you can see that my data line cycling through some numbers, and right now it's running the commands properly. So following along with the binary file, my address lines decode into 6901 C902 F003 4C00 E0 A900 4C 00E0. Now the 00E0s are the jump instructions, jumping back up to the start label. 69 is the add instruction. 01 is the data that gets added. C9 is the compare with 2, so that's 02. F003 and 4C00 are all the jump stuff. Well, the F0034C, what that does is it's the break if equal instruction for the 6502 just adds on a number. I forget what addressing mode it is, but basically it's just adding on a number to the last address that was executed, and that's what those numbers do. And then the A900 reloads loads the accumulator with 0, and then we just jump back. So the 4C is a jump instruction, and then the 00E0 is the beginning address. So if we follow along with the data bus, I'm just going to reset again. You see that it cycles through some random numbers as it gets set up. And then 00, E0, and now it starts. So you can see 6901, C902, F0, 03, 4C, 00, E0. Starts back with a 6901, C9, 02, F0, 03, and then it jumps to 4C, A9, 00, 4C, 00, E0, and then jumps back to adding. And that is my very first 6502 computer. program running on the computer that I just created. Thank you for watching.